friends, I'm Manpreet, and in this video we will learn how to create this beautiful pattern of friendship band at home. It is very simple and attractive pattern. You can try out in different colors. So let's get started.
Take cardboard, make a circle of 5 cm radius. Now mark 8 lines as shown in the video. Cut the circle and the lines. I am using anchor threads to make the band. Cut 14 strings, each 60 cm in length. Here I am using 4 green, 4 yellow and 6 pink strings. Make a knot and tie all 14 strings. Make a hole in the center of the disc you made. Push the knot on the other side through the hole. Place 2 strings in the first cut, then again 2 yellow strings in the second cut, 2 pink strings in the third cut, two pink strings in the fourth cut, next 2 pink strings in the fifth cut. Make sure they all are tight in the frame. Now 2 green strings in the sixth cut and 2 green strings in the seventh cut. Now you can see the eighth cut is empty. Third string and place on the empty space. Rotate left. Again, pick the third string and place on the empty space. Rotate left. Again, pick the third string and place on the empty space. Rotate left. Again, pick the third string and place on the empty space. Rotate left. Pick the third string and place on the empty space. You have to follow this pattern and you will see on the other side your friendship band increasing in length. you can see your friendship band in process. Keep following the same pattern.
If you learned something new, please like and share my video and do subscribe my channel.